Some say Bitcoin is the future of money. Others say it's the biggest bubble of our generation. So, which one is it? In just over a decade, Bitcoin has gone from being virtually worthless to becoming one of the most talked about financial assets in the world. It has created millionaires, sparked global debates, and made headlines for both record-breaking highs and sudden crashes. But the real question is, what does Bitcoin actually represent? And where could it be headed next? Bitcoin was created in 2009 as a decentralized digital currency. That means it isn't controlled by any government, bank, or company. Instead, it runs on blockchain technology, a public, transparent ledger that records every transaction. One of Bitcoin's most powerful features is its limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity is why many people compare it to gold. While governments can print more money, Bitcoin cannot be inflated beyond its fixed limit. Over time, Bitcoin has become more than just a digital currency. Some people see it as a store of value. Others use it for payments, and many treat it as an investment. So what actually drives Bitcoin's price? First, adoption. The more people, businesses, and platforms that accept Bitcoin, the more useful and potentially valuable it becomes. Second, institutional interest. Big financial players like hedge funds and investment firms are now entering the space. This has helped legitimize Bitcoin in the eyes of traditional finance. Third, global uncertainty. During times of inflation, currency devaluation, or financial crises, some investors turn to Bitcoin as a hedge, similar to how people turn to gold. But Bitcoin is far from perfect. Its price is extremely volatile. It can rise 20% in a week and fall just as fast. This makes it risky, especially for people who don't understand what they're investing in. Regulation is another big unknown. Governments around the world are still deciding how to control and tax crypto. New rules could either boost Bitcoin's credibility or restrict its growth. Then there's the environmental debate. Bitcoin mining uses a lot of electricity, and critics say it is, unsustainable. Supporters argue that more miners are moving toward renewable energy, but this issue is still evolving. So what's the future of Bitcoin? Some believe it could become a global digital store of value like gold for the internet age. Others think it will power a new financial system without banks, and skeptics say it's just a speculative bubble waiting to burst. The truth is, nobody knows for sure. But what we do know is that Bitcoin has already changed how people think about money, ownership, and trust. Whether it becomes a financial revolution or a stepping stone to something even bigger, one thing is certain: Bitcoin isn't going away quietly, and the next chapter of its story may be the most important one yet.